And one thing that jumps out at me exactly, it falls in line with what you just said, was, early on, Scott needed to figure out Photoshop. So he went and bought like this massive Photoshop book and taught himself Photoshop. I don't use Photoshop. That shit's hard, right? Like I use Canva or something, or something else. But if you go into Scott's YouTube channel, that Photoshop book is on his bookshelf. It's like this massive Photoshop book. So yeah, he didn't know how to do it, and he was like, I need to learn how to do that and figure it out, and he did. That's taking action.
And the key piece of that is he bought the book, but then he read it. And I know that sounds kind of silly, but like there's a lot of people who will buy a course or they'll buy a book, but they don't do anything with it. And it's just following through on things. I think that's huge. That's huge. That'll make you successful in business. That'll make you successful in relationships, in a marriage, in being a parent, is just following through all the way till the end. And so that's, I would not be excited to sit down and read 900 pages about Photoshop. But, Scott did, and look where he is now. And so, yeah, that's a really good example.